In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep tabs open in Chrome after closing. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to set up Google Chrome, so that when you close the browser and reopen it, all your tabs come right back, just the way you left them. Let's start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, your taskbar, or your applications folder, depending on your system. Once Chrome is open, make sure you're looking at a regular browser window, not an incognito one, because this setting won't apply to incognito sessions. Now, take a look at the top right corner of the Chrome window. You should see 3 small vertical dots. This is the main Chrome menu. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. When you do, a drop-down menu will appear with a list of options like New Tab, New Window, History, Downloads, and so on. From this menu, move your cursor down until you find the option labeled Settings and click on it. This will open a new tab with all of Chrome's settings. It might look a bit overwhelming at first, but we're only going to adjust one simple option. On the left side of the settings page, you'll see a list of categories. Make sure you're in the main section, usually called You and Google, or just the default landing page. Now, scroll down slowly until you see a section labeled On Startup. This is where you control what Chrome does every time you open it. In the On Startup section, you'll see a few choices. The one we're interested in is called Continue Where You Left Off. Go ahead and click that option to select it. You might see a little dot filling in next to it, showing that it's now active. What this does is tell Chrome to automatically reopen all the tabs that were open the last time you closed the browser. So the next time you quit Chrome, even if you had multiple windows and lots of tabs open, they should all reappear when you start Chrome again. To test it, you can open a couple of different websites in separate tabs, then close Chrome completely. Open Chrome again, and you should see those same tabs restored. If you ever change your mind, you can come back to the same On Startup section and pick a different option, like opening a specific set of pages or starting with a fresh new tab. And that's all you need to do to keep your tabs open in Chrome after closing.